The normal is everyone follow to initialize our Next.js project structure is npm next create app at the rate status. So npm next create app at the rate latest. Now as I hit enter, just keep watching the time. The process is already so much slow. I guess the default answers to all TypeScript yes, ESLint yes, Tailwind yes, src no, filter yes, turbopack yes, and then import-alias no, custom import-alias no. It already took pretty long, and now it is initializing the project. By the way, this Next.js 15 little bit unstable, so I don't use it too much. I use 14. I use it to initialize the next project. You have enough time to drink a cup of tea and then wash it and then come here again. The way I use is much faster than this way. It depends on the speed of the Wi-Fi. But if you change the way you initialize the project, even if your Wi-Fi is slow, your time saved. Then 14 Mbps Wi-Fi speed.